Good morning, guys. So today we're going to be restoring this old ball peen hammer. It has the maker's mark on one side and the initials of the original owner, and the date that I'm assuming he purchased it is on the other side. So this is a really cool old piece with a lot of history to it. I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you very much for watching. Alright guys, so this is one of my absolute favorite parts, where you get to see all the chips and defects and wear from use. And then look at this etching, it came out really clear. 62. And then this maker's mark here, I don't know what that is. If you've ever seen it, please leave it in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. Now back to the video. Okay, so this is a pretty interesting part of the video I wanted to highlight. Right here I'm taking some mineral oil and pouring it into a small jar with some very fine charcoal powder and mixing that up to make an ebony wood oil. But the trick is you want to heat the wood up first so the mineral oil penetrates deeper into the lumber. So we took our matte torch, heated the wood up, and then applied the oil. Okay, that should give you an idea of my finishing process. First you do a few coats of the mineral oil and then switch over to a wax paste. Now speaking of wax pastes, I do have some recipes on Patreon. If you are a paid subscriber, you get some of those with the subscriptions, and soon I will have my digital store up, have my individual recipes for sale. So make sure you go check out the Patreon. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you enjoy this sort of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. and check out the other social media stuff I do, the TikTok, Patreon, all of that. We'll see you around. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day, and we will see you in the next one.